I came across this on eBay the other day, a USB BIOS programmer. So it comes with the USB stick itself, a couple of adapters, and also a clip-on, I think it's an 8-pin alligator clip to clip directly onto the BIOS. I've yet to have needed one of these, but in the past it probably would have got me out of a few sticky situations with failed BIOS updates. Most motherboards nowadays have dual BIOS, so it's usually pretty safe to still attempt to flash. So here's the device itself, connected up to a Gigabyte board. It did take me a few attempts to get it to actually read the chip. Then using the software, I was able to tell it to read the flash memory or the BIOS itself. And from there I was able to load up a different .bin file or a different ROM and tell it to flash from there. It did take a little bit to find the correct software that will work with it, as the seller of course didn't provide anything. But hopefully this may help me down the line if I have any issues with the BIOS. Catch ya.